Planning a wedding is one of the most exciting chapters in life, filled with dreams, inspiration, and of course, a long list of to-dos. But let's face it, between the excitement comes the stress of managing budgets, tracking vendors, organizing guests, planning schedules, and ensuring that not a single detail slips through the cracks. That's exactly why the Digital Wedding Planner Canva template, 66 pages, was created. This all-in-one planner isn't just a set of pretty pages. It's a thoughtful, practical, and beautifully organized system that helps brides-to-be, grooms-to-be, and wedding planners streamline the planning process, reduce overwhelm, and enjoy every step along the way. With 66 fully editable pages, this planner covers every important category of wedding planning in a format that is elegant, easy to use, and completely customizable via Canva. Whether you're a Type A list lover or someone who just needs structure to get started, this template will guide you through the journey with clarity and ease. A glimpse inside the planner. Let's take a look at what makes this planner so powerful and easy to use. 1. Wedding checklist and timeline. Begin with a structured timeline to stay ahead of every major milestone, from engagement to honeymoon. These pages offer month-by-month breakdowns and a full to-do list so you never forget what needs to be done. 2. Budget and expense tracker. Money is one of the biggest stressors in any wedding. This planner helps you set your budget, break it down by category, and track payments and due dates so you stay on top of every cent spent. 3. Guest list and seating charts. Create your guest list, track RSVPs, meal preferences, +1 confirmations, and more. Then, use the seating chart templates to organize your tables clearly and smoothly. 4. Vendor and supplier planner. Keep contact information, quotes, payment deadlines, and service notes all in one place. Whether it's your florist, photographer, or caterer, you'll have full visibility and organization at your fingertips. 5. Month-by-month to-do lists. Stay productive with task lists sorted by months before the wedding. This ensures you're progressing without pressure and avoids last-minute scrambles. Number 6. Bride and groom preparation. Dedicated pages for attire, fittings, beauty appointments, and more. Everything you need to ensure both partners are fully prepared and confident on the big day. 7. Floral, menu, cake, gifts, and more. Customize your wedding down to every petal and slice. Plan your floral arrangements, tasting menus, wedding cake styles, and even track gift registries or party favors. 8. Rehearsal dinner, honeymoon, and beyond. Keep track of pre-wedding celebrations and post-wedding plans with our rehearsal dinner planner, engagement celebration pages, honeymoon budget, and itinerary. 9. Extras, wellness calendar, thank you card lists, space for notes, and other essentials that make a huge difference in staying mentally and emotionally grounded throughout the process. Fully editable and instant download. What sets this planner apart is that it's fully customizable through Canva. No software needed, no design skills required. You can change colors to match your wedding theme, replace fonts or add your own style, add personal graphics, photos, or illustrations, rearrange or duplicate pages to suit your needs. Once customized, you can download it as a high-resolution PDF, JPG, or PNG in just a few clicks. Whether you're printing at home, using a professional print shop, or going fully digital, this planner works seamlessly. Who is this for? DIY brides looking for full control without full chaos. Wedding planners needing a clean, professional toolkit. Friends or family gifting an engagement present. Etsy sellers adding value to a digital wedding bundle. Whether you're planning a rustic countryside wedding, an elegant ballroom event, or a beach elopement, this planner is designed to adapt to your unique style and make the experience feel less like work and more like celebration. Why you'll love it. Instant download, start planning today. Fully editable Canva link included. Clean, modern, and printable layout. Sized for US letter, 8.5 by 11 inches. High resolution 300